everybody. Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I'm at program number 46. I'm going to read the program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a Texas Instruments TI-99 4A on a modern computer. I'm on a modern PC, not on original hardware right now. I'm going to type the program into TI Basic, run it, let's see what we can learn from it and see what we can make it do. Okay, 46, number error trapping. It should be said before I read this that a great many of these programs are not really standalone programs. They're more like small programs designed to be part of a larger program, and that's what we have here. Number error trapping. Good programs, those which are well written, need error trapping. It's a technique for making sure persons communicating with a computer don't key in inappropriate data or make mistakes which would cause computation problems for the computer. For instance, see the example program here. In line 10, the computer asks for a number. In line 20, if the number is too low, it says so and goes back to line 10 to repeat its request. At line 30, if the number received at line 10 is too large, it says so and goes back to line 10 for a better choice. The result is only printed at line 40 when a satisfactory number has been keyed in back at line 10. You can set your own limits by changing the 10 in line 20 and the 100 in line 30. Okay, we have a very short program, so let's get busy typing. I don't know why the line numbers are so low in this program, but that's okay. 10 input to give me a number. Give me a number. And let's get the punctuation exactly as written here. End quote, and we're going to call that A. 20, if A is less than 10, then 24. 22, go to 30. 24, print too low. 26, go to 10. 30, if A is greater than 100, then I think it's at 34, yep, 34. 32, go to 40. 34, print too high. Oops, 34, not 43. Print too high. 36, go to 10. And finally, 40, print A. So again, this is not a complete program of any value. This is designed to be a technique for what this book calls error trapping, or what you might call validating user input now. Okay, so let's clear the screen, list the program out one more time. While we're listing it, we're skimming for obvious errors. I don't see any. Let's run the program. Okay. Give me a number. Let's say, I don't know, let's get one that's too low. 7. Too low. Give me a number. Let's do one that's too high, like 831, way too high. Give me too high. Give me a number. How about 47? 47. Done. Okay, let's run it one more time. What if we do one right on the money? 10. Okay, that works. And if we do 9, too low. What if we do 100? No problem, it likes 100. What if we do 101? Too high. What if we do 100.5? Too high, it doesn't like fractional, it's still over 100, so it doesn't accept that either. Okay, let's clear the screen. Run. Give me a number. 69, dude. Done. Okay. Well, that's all she wrote for number error trapping. And so you can use various techniques like this. You could even come up with some extra code that either ignores the decimal places or rounds down, rounds up, whatever you need to do. But in general, the principle is whenever you're accepting user input, you need to validate the user input with which this book calls number error trapping. All right, if you are watching this video after the fact on YouTube, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, miscellaneous educational content on topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally, and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days. And if you're watching this on Twitch, same thing, check out my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, also check out my Twitch channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth for live streaming and all the above. And on both platforms, I appreciate likes and follows and subscriptions, especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these challenging financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back very soon with the next video in this series, next program in this series, excuse me, program number 47, which is standard deviation. So if you are catching this on YouTube, be sure to check out all the previous videos in this series and stay tuned over the next days and weeks for all of the subsequent programs yet to come. Thank you very much. This was, again, number error trapping from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. Thank you very much. I'll catch you in the next video.